blew my mind when I figured that out. And I wonder, did we put a video up on Instagram or something where I told the kids that the earth was flat? Or what did we do to violate the terms of service? I mean, I try not to swear. Is it because we have that little guy from Germany, you know, with the mustache? I heard recently you're not supposed to mention his name on YouTube. Unless you're calling somebody literally him. But, you know, we've had... Let's just call him Adolf. Adolf has called into our show a couple of times. You know, I'm just making jokes. He wanted to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. And by the way, history records he was a pretty good artist. So sometimes I just like to share his drawings and paintings. Because, you know, I mean, it can't just be all bad news when people talk about Adolf. So they took down our Instagram account. I don't know what that's about. Computer, do you know what that's about? Boop, boop, boop. Again, I don't speak computer beeps. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, nothing. All right. Computer, please end computer simulation. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Yeah? Miigwech. Boop, boop.
They don't play it no more, but I remember a time, 1984, maybe 85. You sang the Salvation Army band played, the children drank lemonade, and the morning lasted all. Came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. How we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, they say. Never would have waved goodbye. You could see it written through his eyes as the train rolled out of sight of the station. And through an open window came, like Sinatra in a younger days, pushing the clouds away. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. How we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. How we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, they say.